And I've got a tablet here I can show you that same application on. This is looking at some MR scans that we have most. So here's some scans that I'm able to fly through. These are very high resolutions. The scans are actually streaming over the wireless connection to this device. So as I'm flying through this, it's actually doing this over the net and live. And I can zoom in. So I'm going to pick the little zoom tool, and I could do a little pinch zoom here. And I can actually go in on this scan here, and we can get a closer look at these eyes and this nose. So this application is really, really cool. And I kind of forgot to say what device that I'm showing here. So let me show you what I'm actually using here. This is the BlackBerry PlayBook. And this is the first time that this tablet's actually been shown running live in public here. And we can just go out of this application into the OS. And we're even more fortunate to have the co-CEO and founder of Research in Motion, Mike Lazaridis, with us here today to talk about the PlayBook. Mike, it's great to have you here. Thanks
Great
for joining us.
Great to see you, Kevin.
Good to see you, too.
Thanks for having us here today. So you've been talking today about how magazines are being transformed,
right,
and how your tools are used to create the next generation in sort of content. One of the things that obviously we're working together on that, but one of the things we've focused on together has been this idea of how do we get the Flash developers and how do we get that Air platform to be something that people can write to and go beyond just content? Right. And you saw that first. I mean, that's a very sophisticated application running on the device. And it's the same application that was running on the PC. That's right. And so that's an exciting new change. And when we talk about how our enterprise customers want to leverage the BlackBerry platform, well, the Adobe customers want to learn how to leverage their tool sets and their experience and their content. And we put that all together in the PlayBook. Because what we've done is we've worked together to really embed Air right to the metal into the operating system. So we've done a lot of things together to really make that work. So if I can just...
I'm excited about the work. I think this is going to be a great platform for doing Air app development.
So, you just saw some content, you saw some pictures in our media viewer. Well, what you don't know is the media viewer is written in Air, right? So what we've done, though, is we've worked together to make sure that we not only got all of Air in there, but we've linked the Air into our multitasking environment. So you can be running other applications at the same time. We can, at any time, call up and bring up a new application. Now, what I've just done there is I've launched another Air app. This Air app is our video player.
Okay, cool.
And we can go in here and we can now pull in high-definition video. So here's high-definition video running in a media player that uses Air as its interface.
And this is using the same stage video, basically the stage video innovation, first on tablets, though. This is the first tablet to do that.
And while this is running, you can see that all the other apps are running too. So you can see that it's all multitasked. And this is very different from...
Yeah, it's hot.
We've gone even further because we've been talking about this for a while. We're not trying to dumb down the internet for a small mobile device.
That's right.
What we're trying to do is bring up the performance and capability of the mobile device to the internet. And so what we've done is we've worked together closely to put Flash 10.1 player inside our browser with full stage video.
So you can see the whole web.
That's right.
Good.
We'll go to internet, we'll pull up the browser, and there's the actual YouTube site. It's not a YouTube app.
Just the regular PC webpage.
Yes, that's right. You might be familiar with this video.
So again, that's HD quality video running, in this case, via YouTube, Flash player onto this tablet. That's great. That's really cool. One of the things I'm excited about, too, is how we've made these applications run consistently across OSs, but we've also taken advantage of the OS. So you can do notifications, for example.
That's right.
You can integrate with the system underneath and really take advantage of the capabilities of the PlayBook. So when can people get this? I want one. Can I have this one, by the way?
I'll tell you, you did such a great job with that Unity application. I think you should have one.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we've done, today we're launching the BlackBerry PlayBook SDK for Adobe Air, so that the developers can start developing their applications for the Playbook using their Air tools, using their experience, using their Adobe tools. And, you know, and the other thing that I just wanted to mention, if you need any more encouragement to develop Air applications for Playbook, you know, if you write a new Air application and it's accepted to BlackBerry App World, you'll be eligible for a free BlackBerry, or a free BlackBerry PlayBook.